aron para ingon. Dili na siya sign of arrogance or selfishness. It's an act of courage. Ay dili tanang tawo. Remember this one. Dili tanang tawo ganahan nimo. Is that true? Dili tanang tawo ganahan nimo even your close friends. Naay part ana nga dili siya ganahan nimo. That's a sad part. But the happy part is you need to love yourself no matter who you are, no matter what you are. So when we embrace this love of self, we no longer seek validation from others. We unlock the freedom unlike any other. We begin to see the world not through the lens of what we can offer, of what we need from others, but through the lens of what we can offer. So tonight, as we celebrate this beautiful evening together, let's remember that love starts from within. Everybody say, love starts from within.
Love starts from within.
Again.
Love starts from within.
Alright. Love starts from within. First, you need to love yourself and then love others. So may we love without condition, without expecting, and may we always honor the love we have for ourselves, knowing that we are whole, worthy, and enough. So thank you for allowing me to share this moment with you, and I hope that the rest of the evening is filled with love in the truest, most beautiful form. So once again, thank you and enjoy this magical night. Thank you.